So you finally open a 529 plan. That's amazing. But now it's asking you to pick an investment option and you're like, wait, what? No one told me that. Stocks, bonds, age-based portfolios. What does any of this even mean? Don't worry, I got you. Let me break it down so simple you could explain it to your auntie at the next family cookout. But first, give me 1 second. My name is Tijani, aka the African Brother, and this is New Family Dynasty. I'm here to help immigrant families in America build strong dynasties, one simple money decision at a time, because no one ever taught us this stuff growing up. So we might as well help out each other. You want to save for your child's future, and you've taken the first big step by opening a 529 plan. But now you are stuck. It's asking you to choose investment, and it feels like they are speaking another language. Therefore, I'm going to help you choose the right option for your family using a simple and smart method. When my wife and I opened our daughter's 529 plan, we saw all the fancy options from aggressive growth to conservative portfolio to bond index. And we were like, huh? What do we do? So we did what many people do, nothing. We left it sitting in cash. And guess what? That's not good because cash doesn't grow. We learned that many 529 plans offer what's called age-based portfolios. This work kind of like cruise control. If your child is young, the plan takes more risk for more growth. As your child gets older, it gets more conservative to protect what you've already saved. That's the easiest way to invest without stress. Here are some actionable steps you can implement right after you watch this video. Step number 1, log into your 529 plan. Find your investment settings. Step number 2, choose age-based option. It will adjust automatically based on your child's age. Step number 3, do you want more control? You can build your own portfolio, but keep it simple. For example, if your child is younger from age 0 to 10, use more stocks. If your child is getting older from teenage years from 14 and above, use conservative approach. And step number 4, check your fees. Stick with low fee index funds if you are customizing. Remember, you are not trying to be the next Warren Buffett here. You just want your money to grow over time. Picking the right investment inside your 529 is like choosing the right soil for your seed. It helps that money grow into something powerful. Let your money do some of the work for you because you've already done that work. If this video helped you take out the mystery out of 529 investments, give it a like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Do you want a free step-by-step guide on how to open and invest in a 529 plan? Join my mailing list and receive that free guide. Lastly, what's the one thing that confused you the most when you try to invest your 529 money? Drop it in the comments. Let's help each other out and build your family dynasty together. Thank you, and let's go.